Okay, so just like that, come out this morning and there's only one bird in the nest. And it's like standing on the end of the nest like it's going to fly away. They got pretty big, pretty fast. What are you doing, bird? You thinking about it? This is a baby bird. I know it don't look like one because it looks pretty fat and big. But I'm pretty sure its nest mates are gone because I don't see them. They were all there yesterday. Oh, it would help if I held the camera up a little better. So what's up, bird? Are you getting ready to fly away? You getting ready to follow your brothers and sisters or whatever they were? You scared? You thinking about it? Oh, here it goes. Here it goes, stretching its wings. Okay, I can't hold this camera here forever, bird. If you're gonna do it, do it. Jump. It's life. Go for it.
Oh my God, don't pressure the poor thing. Don't do it. Stay in the nest forever.
No.